welcome to GCSE Maths Help. Today we're going to be looking at percentages exam paper questions. This video is a follow-on from my percentages key points video, which I will link in the bio below. If you haven't watched that video, you might find it useful before looking at exam questions. For everyone else, let's get started. So our first question here says Doug owes an amount of £600. He wants to pay off this amount in 5 months. He says each month I'll pay back 20% of the amount I still owe. Show working to check if his method is correct. So the key here is that he's paying 20% of the amount that he still owes. So as he's paying back money each month, 20% is going to change each time because the amount he still owes is going to change after each month. So to work out this question, I'm going to draw us a little table. So we've got the first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month. Then the next column is going to be the 20% that he's paid back, and then this last column is going to be the money that he still owes. So for the first month, he'll pay off 20% of what he still owes, so he owes £600. So this question was on a calculator paper, so we can easily find out what 20% is. We'll divide 600 by 100 to work out 1%, and then times it by 20 to get 20%. So 20% of 600 is £120. So if we take that away, he still owes £480 at the end of that month. So for the second month, we now want 20% of £480. So for the second month, he pays back £96, leaving him still owing £384. So for the third month, we're taking 20% of £384, so he's going to pay back £76.80, leaving him still owing £307.20. The fourth month, he's going to pay back £61.44, leaving him still owing £245.76. And in the fifth month, his final payment, he's paying £49.15, meaning that he's still going to owe at that point £196.61. So our working shows that Doug is still going to owe money if he uses this method of only paying back 20% of the money that he still owes, so he will still owe money at the end of the 5 months. So we can write at the bottom, his method is incorrect. So in this next question, they've already done the reducing for us. It says, in a sale, the original price of a bag was reduced by a fifth. The sale price of the bag is £29.40. Work out the original price. So our £29.40 here is equal to 80% of the bag's price because it's been reduced by a fifth or 20%. So to find out what 1% of the bag's price is, we need to divide it by 80 and then times by 100 to find out what 100% or the whole number was before. So to get to 1%, we divide by 80, so we'll divide the price by 82 to give us 0.3675, which is 36 3/4p. We'll times it by 100 to give us £36.75p, which was the original price of the bag, so we'll pop that down here. So this next question is quite a wordy one and it needs a little bit of lateral thinking. So it says a company makes boxes of cereal. A box usually contains 450 grams of cereal. There are 2 options for a special offer. Option A, 20% more cereal, price remains the same. And option B, usual amount of cereal, 15% off the price. Which option is the better value for the customer? You must show your working. So let's look at option A first. So each box of cereal contains 450 grams. So for 100% of the price, we're getting 450 grams of cereal plus 20%. So we can work that out. 20% of 450 grams is 90 grams. So that's 450 grams plus an extra 90 grams of cereal gives us 540 grams. So let's have a look at option B. Option B, we get the same amount of cereal, so that's 450 grams, but 15% off the price. So for that 450 grams, we're only paying 85% of the price. So in order for us to compare which deal is the best deal, we need to work out how much cereal you get for the same percentage of the price. So let's take the values at option B. 85% of the price you get in 450 grams of cereal. So if we divide that by 85, we can work out how much cereal you get for 1% of the price. So we're getting 5.294 grams of cereal. So if we times that by 100 to find out what we get at 100% of the price, we get 529.4 grams of cereal. So if we look at option A, for 100% of the price as well, we're getting 540 grams of cereal. So that's working out at the better option. So we want to know what option is better value for the customer. We've worked it out that option A is the better value for the customer because you're getting more cereal for the same amount of money. So to finish, we're going to look at a real life scenario. So Billy wants to buy these tickets for a show. 4 adult tickets at £15 each, 2 child tickets at £10 each, a 10% booking fee is added to the ticket price, 3% is then added for paying by credit card. Work out the total charge for these tickets when paying by credit card. So let's start by working out how much the tickets are on their own. So we've got 4 adult tickets at £15, so that's £60. We've got 2 children's tickets at £10, so we need to add on another £20. So our tickets total £80. So I'm going to put a little running total over here. So we've got £80 for just the tickets. The next piece of information we need from the question is the 10% booking fee is added to the ticket price. So we need to find 10% of the £80. So if the £80 is the 100%, 1% will divide by 100. So let's divide 80 by 100 to give us 80p. And then to get 10%, we need to times that by 10. So that gives us £8. So the booking fee, 10%, is another £8. So we need to add that on over here. So our total cost is now £88. So the next piece of information we need is the 3% is then added for paying by credit card. So now our 100% is the £88. So we need to find 3% of £88 now. So 1% will divide by 100, so we'll do that to the £88 as well to give us 88p. And then to get 3%, we need to times that by 3, so that gives us £2.64. So we can add that on to our £88 over here. So we've got £2.64 added together. So the total is going to be £90.64. So it's £90.64 is the total charge for these tickets when paying by credit card. So in these real life scenarios, you need to think logically about what's happening so that we do everything in the right order and you find the right percentage of the right number. So when we buy tickets in the real world, we have the ticket price, add the booking fee on, and then there's a charge for using your credit card at the end of the purchase. You don't buy your tickets, use your credit card, pay up, and then pay a separate booking fee. So just make sure you think about the order that you do things in these real life situations. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to have a little recap on the key points on this topic, click the link in the bio below. Don't forget to subscribe to GCSE Maths Help with the subscribe button below, or you can check out my Instagram page at GCSE Maths Help for more videos and tips. Thanks for watching.